Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Funda family. In this video, I will solve 3 interesting examples based on information theory. In my last video, I have discussed about fundamentals of information. In this video, I will solve 3 examples. Before I start with my solution, I want you to try those questions first. Later you can check for the solution in this video itself. So this is question number 1. Freeze the video and try it by your own. This is question number 2. Freeze the video and try it by your own. And this is last question of this video. I hope you might have tried all those questions. Now let me solve question number 1. See, in question 1, we need to identify amount of information for given probabilities. So here we have been given with P1, that is 1 by 4, and P2, that is 3 by 4. So for these two probabilities, we need to identify information. So let us identify information for probability P1. So information is log of base 2 1 divided by probability. Here probability is there with us. P1 is 1 by 4. So let us substitute that. So this 4 that will go in numerator. And see, 4 is 2 to the power 2. So for logarithmic property, this 2 will come in front. So 2 log of base 2 2. Log of base 2 2 is log of 2 divided by log of 2, that is 1. So here we need 2 bits for probability P1, right? Similarly, we can identify information for probability P2, that is log of base 2 1 divided by P2. Here P2 is there with us. P2 is 3 by 4. Let us simplify this. See, this 4 will go in numerator. So we'll be having 4 by 3. And if you solve this, then you will be getting 0.415 bits. Always remember, the unit of information is bits. And here what you need to do is you need to calculate log of 4 by 3 divided by log of 2. Right. Now let me solve second problem. See, in second problem, a card is selected at random from a deck of playing cards. So we are selecting a card randomly. If you have been told that it is red in color, then identify A, that is how much information you have received. So here we have been given with condition that card is in red color. So first of all, one should know how many cards are there. See, in total 52 cards are there, out of which 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. So probability of red card, that will be 26 divided by total card, that is 52. So that will be half. And for this probability, we need to identify information. So information of red card, that will be log of base 2 1 divided by probability of red card. So that will be log of base 2 1 divided by probability of red card is half. So this 2 will go in numerator. So we will be having log of base 2 2. So log of 2 divided by log of 2, that is 1 bit. Right. So if you have red card, then for which there will be 1 bit information as per probability half. Now see, in question B, how much more information did you need to completely specify the card? So once you select red card, then you need to identify what is the exact card which is there with us. So out of 26 red cards, we need to identify exact card. So here if I say specific card probability out of red, so that will be 1 divided by 26. Out of 26, we need to select 1, right? So information for specific card, that will be log of base 2 1 divided by probability of specific card. So here we have log of base 2, probability of specific card, that is 1 divided by 26. This 26 will go in numerator. So log of base 2 26. So this will be log of 26 divided by log of 2. If you solve that, then you will be getting 4.7 bits, right? See, if they are asking you out of 52 cards, identify specific card. In that case, probability will be 1 by 52. And if you identify information as per log of base 2, 1 divided by probability, then answer will be 5.7 bits. But here we need to select red color card first. After that we need to identify specific card. That's why for red color specific card, information will be 4.7 bits. Right. Now let me solve last question of this video. See, in last question, we need to consider discrete memoryless source C that outputs 2 bits at a time. This source comprises two binary sources A and B, whose outputs are equally likely to occur, and each source contributes 1 bit. So here you need to understand question. See, in question, we have source C. That is a combination of A and B. A and B that is having 1 bit. And probability of binary bits that is equal, means with A we will be having logic 0 and logic 1, as well as with B we will be having logic 0 and logic 1, and these bits are equally likely, right? Suppose that the source within the source C are independent, means A and B, those are independent. What is the information content of each output from source C? So here I'll explain you this by two different solutions. Let me explain first solution. See, in first solution, we need to understand probability of A. So probability of A for binary, that is half, and probability of B for binary, that is half. If A and B are independent, then total probability that will be P, that is PA into PB. So that has to be half into half, means it will be 1 by 4. And for this probability, if you identify information of C, so that has to be log of base 2 1 divided by P, right? And if you substitute P, that is 1 by 4, then you can identify further solution. See, log of base 2 4, this 4 will go in numerator. So log of base 2 4, that is 2 bits, right? So that is how one can say this information of source C that is of 2 bits, and that is given in question even. And if you want to understand that as per this combination, then one more way is there. See, here you can say total samples of C. So total samples of C is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 as per A and B, right? And if you have 4 samples which are equally likely, then you can say probability of C that will be 1 divided by 4, right? So as if you have probability which is 1 by 4, then information that will be 2 bits. So that is how one can understand this. So there can be multiple ways, but here one should know for independent sources, probability will be multiplication, that one should know. So I have solved it in two different ways, right? So I think now you are having fair enough idea about what is information based on probability. Still, if you have any confusion, just place that in comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.